Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You have the key and the account. Now begin. Open Word or Excel and go directly to File, then Account to start activation. Enter your 25-character product key when prompted. This binds the license to your Microsoft account so you can reinstall later. Once done, make sure Office can connect online to validate the key. If it cannot, activation may require a short wait or retry with network fixes. This immediate step prevents delays and links the license for future recovery. After opening account, select Change Product Key or Activate Product and sign in with your Microsoft account. This ensures the license records correctly. Carefully type the 25-character key, use copy-paste if possible to avoid typos, and then proceed to validate. The activation step checks entitlement and applies the correct license to Office 2019. Once validation completes, Office may download small configuration updates. If validation shows progress, let it finish rather than closing the app, because interrupted installs can leave the product in an unlicensed state. Complete activation by restarting Office apps and confirming file account displays the activation status or license name. If you see errors, double-check the key was entered exactly and that you activated the same Office 2019 edition the key covers. Mismatched editions cause failures. If the message says the key is already used, sign into the Microsoft account that previously claimed it or recover that account. Failing that, contact Microsoft support with proof of purchase. This single troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.